We did it! 100 subscribers, triple digits. Wow, this is awesome. Thank you all so very much for all the subscriptions. We passed 100 subscribers on the EcoStruder YouTube channel. Amazing. But let's not stop now. Let's keep going. So, what can you expect from the EcoStruder YouTube channel going forward? Well, more of the same. So we're going to be doing reviews and kind of first impressions and breakdowns of things like the new Palette 2 Pro. I've been spending a lot of time with this guy and kind of getting it dialed in a little bit at a time. Of course, we've got the new resin printer here, doing some SLA prints, different types of resins. Probably the most exciting thing for me anyway is I'm doing the world's largest roundup of 3D printing filaments. So I've got over 42 different filaments from all over the world. Every one of these is flexible in some way. Some of them a little bit more flexible than others. Some of them a little bit more successful than others. But all of that is coming up as well. We'll be talking about all sorts of different types of filaments. There are plenty of unboxings. It's time lapses, of course, because it's 3D printing and time lapses are awesome. But all of that kind of stuff is coming. But really, more than anything, I wanted to say thank you. Triple digits. So I'm gonna throw it out now. I'm gonna make an audacious statement and say, let's get to quadruple digits. Yeah, 1,000 subscribers. Let's make it happen. So please share the videos. Tell your friends, tell your coworkers, tell people on the street you've never met before about the EcoStruder YouTube channel and the cool stuff we're doing here. Eco-friendly fun, engineering fun, experimental fun. But yeah, so that's it. That's all I wanted to say. If you haven't subscribed, then please do. You can ring the bell. You can, I think there's even a little share thing there where you can send it to people. Yeah, until next time and until 200 and 300 and 1,000, have fun and I'll see you then.